It was beautiful, the way the light would dance between the leaves as we sat together underneath that tree, where we dreamed of everything that it could be. It was beautiful, where the best of our creations went to thrive after they had left the coils of their lives, before it was decided to divide. Oh, I don't know if our song could ever play again, but back in time, the love we shared was all I really needed then. 'Cause I heard the words, but she preferred to leave me well enough alone. But it's what you do when it's all too true, when you were wrong with what you know.
But it was beautiful, the gift she chose to share with humankind. She inspired us to keep our dreams alive, even after what they did to you that made you feel like yours were cast aside. And it's beautiful, 'cause now you're striving onwards, fierce and
That's
loud.
thanks to you.
And I know if she could see you, she'd be proud. 'Cause no matter what the heavens say, just cast aside their judgments, let it out.
Oh,
Feeling so could play again.
'cause if we tried, the love we shared would make us like we were back then. We'll all learn the words, the feelings they incur, and we'll no longer be alone. Oh, and I know you'll do
My best I'm trying to
protect those who want to atone. Look at how she's grown, forged on her own. Or are you somewhere you can't see? Now what I feel, a fear so real that you have truly lost your love